No legitimate survey site is available in every country. The closest you'll find are platforms that operate across dozens of regions and automatically show surveys based on where you live, instead of blocking you completely. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 survey platforms with broad international availability and how to check whether they're supported in your country. First is Isense. Isense accepts users from a large number of countries and combines paid surveys with offer walls, app downloads, and other earning opportunities. If surveys are limited in your region, you can still find alternative tasks inside the platform. Completing your profile helps the system match you with more relevant surveys. Next is Toluna, Influencers, Guide. Toluna operates in many countries and regularly invites members to participate in market research. Survey availability depends on your location and demographic profile, but the platform supports a wide international audience. Checking the app frequently increases your chances of finding new surveys before they fill up. Third is LifePoints. LifePoints is available across multiple regions and partners with global research companies to collect consumer opinions. Instead of offering the same surveys worldwide, it adjusts available opportunities based on each country's research demand. Keeping your personal information accurate improves your survey matching. The fourth option is YouGov. YouGov has members in many countries and focuses heavily on public opinion, brands, politics, and current events. Survey topics often vary by region because different markets require different research. Completing surveys consistently can lead to more invitations over time. Finally, there's iPrime Opinion. Prime Opinion has expanded its international availability and provides surveys in many supported countries. The platform matches available surveys to your profile and location, making it a good option for users outside the largest markets. Logging in regularly helps because new surveys appear throughout the day. One important thing to remember is that available worldwide and available in every country are not the same thing. Even international survey sites have unsupported regions, and survey volume can differ significantly depending on where you live. To sum it up, Isense, Toluna, Influencers, LifePoints, YouGov, and Prime Opinion all serve users across many countries, but your available surveys will always depend on your location and profile. Before signing up, check that the platform supports your country, complete your profile honestly, and join more than one survey site so you have more earning opportunities. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews of survey sites and online earning platforms.